Imphal East District ki Hautal da laiba SP Gateway School gi 2024 gi sahi gi chain haidokpa gi rank holder khara ekhoi punna yengminasi.
Sinsita Kangawang scoring 956.15 with 86.92%. Ninsita. The second rank goes to row number 1, 1000 Langlen Chadu with 943.10 marks, scoring 85.74 PC. Ninsita, come first. Langlen Chadu. Langlen Yorabo. Then the third rank goes to Laima Popon Tuizano, scoring 874.60 with 79.51 PC. Tuizano Lao. There goes third rank. Then the fourth rank goes to row number 39, Godisir Vaishnav. Class 9 Godisir, scoring 843.40 marks with 76.67%. Then the fifth rank goes to row number 2, Korimayum Husnebanu. Korimayum Husnebanu, scoring 832.70 with 75.70%. Then the sixth rank goes to row number 38, Tongcham Tazamambi, scoring 880.10 with 74.37%. Then the seventh rank goes to row number 42, Loitongcham Tanya Devi, scoring 809.70 marks with 73.61%. Then the eighth rank goes to row number 3, Karima Parvin, with 719.85, scoring 71.90%. Then the ninth rank goes to row number 6, Kwenalizam Devachandra, scoring 741.80 with 67.44%. And the 10th rank goes to row number 14, Koishan Sophie Devi, scoring with 738.65 PC, 67.15 PC. So these are the 10 rank holders of the class 9 for the session 2024 to 2025. Okay, here is the result for class 11 science. 11 science. The first rank goes to row number 1, Vasudha Muthuk, scoring 1100.9 with 91.74 PC. Second rank goes to row number 2, Nuvita Waiko, scoring 1051.9 with 87.66%. And third rank goes to row number 3, DS Pinky, scoring 1018.7 with 84.89%. Fourth rank goes to row number 36, Luke CZ, scoring 958.4 with 79.87 PC. Then the fifth rank goes to row number 26, KH Dennis, scoring 924.4% with 77.03%. Sixth rank goes to row number 4, NG Priscia, scoring 892.5 with 74.38%. Seventh marks with 67.76 percentage. Then the ninth grade goes to roll number 9, Sneha Konsam with 799.7 marks along with 66.64 percentage. Then the 10th grade goes to roll number 11, NG Daina Devi, scoring 770.7 with 64.22 percentage.
ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯉꯥꯡꯈꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯃꯦꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤ꯫